Hello, Loop and Learn community. I'm Brandon Arbiter, Vice President of Business Development at Tidepool and one of the founding team members here. I'm also a Looper, I think since 2015. I want to give you a quick update on where we are at Tidepool here at the end of the year and just share my wishes with all of you for the new year. Over the course of 2021, the Tidepool ecosystem has continued to thrive. The Tidepool software has reached over 229,000 people with diabetes and their healthcare providers. More than 13,000 people with diabetes have graciously opted to anonymously donate their de-identified data in support of the Tidepool Big Data Donation Project, which has now been utilized by dozens and dozens and dozens of researchers. More than 7,000 healthcare providers have registered a Tidepool account to connect with their patients, demonstrating the capacity to support remote patient monitoring and telemedicine initiatives at a massive scale. And we've added support for 17 new devices in the past 2 years, further extending our capacity to support people with diabetes, their care teams, and clinicians. Tidepool also recognized a staggering unmet need of people in the diabetes community who menstruate. The need to understand the impact of periods on diabetes management. As a result, Tidepool launched the Tidepool Period Project. This project aims to improve visualizations of menstrual cycle data aligned with diabetes device data, provide educational resources for providers and patients, and support comprehensive and innovative research efforts across the diabetes community. And lastly, since we submitted Tidepool Loop to the FDA last December, we've been engaged continuously with the agency in an interactive review process, addressing their questions and discussing the specifics of Tidepool's documentation. We eagerly await their final decision as they continue to engage with us while balancing the incredible workload in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Our drive and commitment to deliver Tidepool Loop into the App Store is stronger than ever. With this holiday season upon us, I want to offer my personal thanks to the looping community, to the people who I can still see sitting around me 5 years ago who helped me get set up on Loop, and to all of the people who have helped me on my looping journey over the last 5 years. To all the people who help one another and have made this incredible looping community what it is today, and to everybody who has supported Tidepool over the years. Thank you all. My wish for this upcoming year is faster innovation. Let's get more things to more people faster than ever before. Type 1 diabetes is relentless, and all of us who live with it know that and experience it day in and day out. So my wish for all of us is new solutions, new tools, and new things that help us live a better life with type 1 diabetes. Thank you to the Loop and Learn community. I wish you all a wonderful holiday season and a happy new year.